Okay, today we're going to do this assignment here. So please read the directions here. There it is in Spanish. So if you want to pause it, you can pause it now and read it. Now Persian. So if you want to pause it and read this. Okay, and Pashto. And pause it and read this. So you can pause it if you need to. Okay, here's the example, and I will translate it for you. It is right here. Okay, so this is Spanish. If you need to pause it, go ahead and pause it and read. Okay, here's Persian. Okay, you can pause it. Pashto. Okay, we're going to do question A first. Do question A first. What percent of the ground? I'll translate it for you. Here's Spanish. Persian. Pashto. Okay. Okay, step one, make a table. So we're going to go years, right? So years and money. Okay, so this is 1 year. How much money? So 1 year. Well, first of all, he has 0 years at the beginning. That's this one right here, right? That's this one right here. Okay. So it's $200. 1 year, he has this one right here. That's 240. 2 years, 288. 3 years, 345.6. Okay. Then we're going to see how it grows from here to here. So we go year 1 divided by year 2 equals the growth. So that equals year 1 is 240 divided by 200. Okay, so let's see, 240 divided by 200. Enter. So we get 1.2. Okay, so that equals 1.20. Okay, so what is this percent after the first year? Okay, well, this is the growth. In exponential, this is equal to the b. If you remember, y equals a times b to the power of x. The b is the growth, right? Right here, that's the growth. So we need to get b to get to the percent of the growth. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to go take that 1.2 that we got right here, and we're going to go, so b minus 1 times 100 equals the percent growth. So we get over here, we take that, and we go 1.20 minus 1 times 100 equals, so 1.2 minus 1, that's 0.2 times 100 equals 20%. So that's the answer for this one, okay? 20%. Okay? Now, the equation, now that we have that, we need to get y equals a, actually, it needs to be like this, actually. This needs to be here, hold on. Okay, so now we're going to do question B. So let me translate that for you. Okay, so here it is in Pashto. So you can pause it. Persian, Spanish, Okay, so if you remember, when we have this exponential, the exponential function right here, y equals a times b times x. A is going to be, a is the beginning value, right? Beginning value at the beginning when x is equal to 0, it's the y is equal to that, right? What is that? Well, if you go over here, when x is 0, right here, y, or the money. So the money is like the y, right? And the years invested is like the x going this way, y is going like that. So the x is 0, so the beginning value is 200. So that would be 200. And then what is our b? Our b is our growth factor, which we actually got above from here, from the previous question A. You saw that, right? We got 1.2, which is what we got over here. That's the b, right? So that's 1.20. So that's going to be 1.20 to the power, and this just stays as a variable, so you get y equals. So that's your final answer. Again, that's the beginning. When x is equal to 0, y equals 200. And then 1.2, that's the b, right? And that's how you do this kind of a problem.